Welcome to another basics video where today we are covering a board around a cake. Firstly, why do it this way? Well, 1, it uses less sugar paste. 2, it hides any imperfections around the bottom edge of the cake, so there's no need for a ribbon. 3, you can choose what colour to use after the main cake is done. If you change your mind with a pre-covered board and you've got it in the wrong shade, you're stuck with it. 4, the cake is stuck down to the drum, not a layer of sugar paste that might just come loose. And 5, you won't damage the pre-covered board with placing the cake down because it's already in place. So you've already got your cake secured to your drum and covered, and you want to dampen the board slightly. I'm covering my board in pink, so I'm just going to roll it into a sausage. Don't roll your sausage too long as it will get bigger on rolling it out. You want to bend it into a horseshoe shape. I've been doing this method for a long time throughout lots of tutorials and had to think of a name. I named it the toilet seat method, much to the shock of all the magazines that had to print it. You'll see why I named it that in a second. Put plenty of icing sugar down as it does like to stick more than a regular circle of sugar paste. I've got more paste than I need here, but I was using pink elsewhere on the cake and just rolled it all out. Yep, now you can see why I called it the toilet seat method. I reckon Professor Umbridge would kill for that in her bathroom. Keep rolling it out so it's all the same thickness, not forgetting to check if it's sticking because it will stick. Pop any bubbles with an acupuncture needle. Once you've rolled it to your required thickness, you're going to want to cut that inner edge clean. This part sits up against the cake. Cut off any excess as it's just extra unnecessary weight. It's going to be pretty difficult to lift it like this, so we bend the open area downwards. Making sure the top doesn't overlap, we want the bottom edge to be showing so we can get it against the cake. It will be a lot easier to lift now. Transfer it to your cake and unfolding those creases as quick as you can so you don't get any elephant skin, i.e. cracks in your sugar paste. If there are areas that stick up, carefully pull the paste away and flatten it. And if there are any areas that don't touch the cake, slide your hand underneath and give it a gentle push. Cut where it joins around the back and smooth it together. You can use the smedger to smooth out any ridges or bumps for a clean finish. Finally, cut off any excess with a scalpel. That's it, you're done. It does take some practice, but stick with it and I'm sure it will come in handy for you. Thanks for watching guys, bye!